When I make my cauliflower pizza crust, I buy cauliflower rice from my local co-op. It's organic cauliflower rice already done. I've already sort of drained the water out of this by just putting it in a paper towel and soaking up some of the water. Put it in my blender with some salt and pepper. I've added to the cauliflower rice, salt and pepper, 2 eggs. I'm now going to add just a teaspoon of coconut flour. Coconut flour can really dry things out, so I don't like to use a lot of it. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of almond flour, which gives it a little more protein and some healthy fat. I'm going to sprinkle in just a little bit of garlic powder for flavor. Not too much because I don't want to overwhelm myself. And now I just blend that up. I cooked my pizza crust in a toaster oven, so I've coated the tray for the toaster oven with aluminum foil, and I'm going to use this organic extra virgin olive oil spray to just kind of spray that pan. I spread the pizza batter all out in the pan and then take it and put it in my toaster oven and cook it at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. Here's the finished cauliflower pizza crust, and now I can put some toppings on it. I'm going to put this pesto sauce on it. It has kale and garlic and that sort of thing. It doesn't have any of the usual like Parmesan and nuts. So I've also added some sugar-free chicken sausage with spring vegetables. It's sugar-free and dairy-free. I'm just going to pop this back in the toaster oven for another 5 minutes and then try it out. Bon appetit!